Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel Daily Doodles for You. So today's Daily Doodle, I'm going to show you how to draw Amy Rose from Sonic the Hedgehog. So please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, maybe share this video with someone else who is a Amy Rose fan, a Sonic the Hedgehog fan. Alright, so let's start with, I'm going to start with the hair. So Amy Rose has these three little parts of hair. So she's got like these three little parts of hair on top above her eyes. So she's got like one little spike here, and then she's got another one on top of that, and then on top of that we got one more. Okay, so now I'm going to come on over a little bit right there, and then I can do an ear. So coming on up and coming on down. And inside that, I'm going to make a triangle. Okay. Now right here at the bottom of our one of our hair pieces here, I'm going to do a kind of a weird U shape. So we're coming down, and then we're doing that little U, and then coming on up. And now I'm going to continue on with this curved line, and kind of start to bring it in a bit right here. Over on this side, I'm going to bring it down like that. And I'm going to do a oval. And inside that, I'm going to do a smaller oval. And I can color in the biggest part there. Okay. So now I'm going to continue on this line and bring it down a little bit farther. And right here from that oval, which is actually the nose, I'm going to come on over this way and come on up a little bit, like that. And then I'm going to sketch downward, but curving, like that. And now we can give her a little smile, like that. And let's do the eyes. Well, the inside of the eyes. So let's do an oval here. And inside that we've got another oval. And then a great big oval on the inside. And then that great big one can be colored in dark. And over here we're going to do the same thing. So great big oval. Great big tall oval, and then inside that we've got another one, another oval, and then inside that another one, and that one's going dark. Okay, so now over here we got a piece of hair, so it's coming down and coming up, so we got a little point there. And coming down this way, we're going to do another piece of hair, another little point there. And then we can bring this upward this way. Right here over by the ear, I'm going to go down a little bit and then come on up. And then I'm going to continue this line here behind the ear. Right here. So this is her headband. And now we can do the back of her head here. Bring it down past behind the headband. And bring it down, 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 down. And it's going to become another pointed piece of hair. So now I'm gonna thicken up this part of her eye. I'm just gonna make this part a little bit thicker, a little bit darker. Just like that, and just drawing over it a few times. And we're gonna give 2 big eyelashes. So 1 and 2. Okay, and we can't see the ones on the other side because of the way her hair is and stuff. All right, so a little bit of a neck piece right here, part of her dress, and then we can curve down like this. And we're gonna give her an arm now. So let's do a little piece for her arm to come out from the dress, the armhole. And I'm gonna do a little curve right here. And come on out. And then right here, we're gonna come on back in. Right here, we can continue on with the arm. We've got the elbow. And I'm gonna do a line right here. And this is almost like a donut. And now we can do her hand. So I'm coming down a little bit. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Little curve here. Little line there. And finger there. Okay. And now I can do a line right here under the arm. Come out right here. And then bring this line down. I can do a little fold right here in the fabric. And then we can bring the dress out like this. And kind of lightly sketch here, working on the bottom of the dress. Make it a little bit flowy. And we can do, we can finish off this part of the dress here like this. And make a line like that. It's like a thick white trim on the bottom of her dress. All right, so let's do her other arm on the other side. And I'm gonna bring it down right here. And I can do a curve right here. So that curve there is the same as over here on that side, this one here. And let's finish off this arm. We can do a line like that and then put one right there. All right, and so now she needs legs. So let's put a line like this here and another one and another one like that. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start coloring now. Alright folks, we are all finished drawing Amy Rose. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!